MedTech World at the MedTech Conference, and I have the pleasure to be with John Nugent. He is representing Ireland. Let's give us a bit of context. What are you doing today? What's your role in the MedTech space?
So I manage the Medical Technologies Department of IDA Ireland. We're the Irish government agency that partners with global companies to help them find a home in Ireland as they grow their international operations through Ireland to service worldwide markets.
What makes Ireland a hub of medical innovation?
So Ireland has had medtech activity in it for over 80 years. We've had some of our clients have been with us for decades, in some cases over 80 years. And I think it's the longevity, the track record, and the ecosystem around those companies, from indigenous Irish companies servicing multinationals, the university system, and then the multinational companies themselves, backed up by a world-class talent pool of Irish, well-educated Irish people, and access to European markets.
And collaboration is key in the medtech space. You are today in San Diego collaborating with this space. How do you see bridges between Ireland and this part of the world, US?
Well, we're very lucky to have many companies from the United States in the medical technology sector in Ireland. From this area, we've got companies like Edwards Life Sciences, Dexcom. Companies like Abbott have a presence here in the San Diego area, and many, many more like ResMed as well. So we've a long-standing partnership with the US, indeed all parts of the US. Here in San Diego, we're meeting with our investors, our partner companies, and we're listening to them about their opportunities going forward and how we can respond and give them a place in Ireland to really exploit those opportunities and build on the track record of operational excellence that we have in Ireland.
Opportunities for investors in this part of the world. Trends, how are you seeing medtech companies that are having innovative proposals? Tell me a bit about the landscape.
So what we see in Ireland at the moment is our long-standing investors collaborating more and more with other sectors. Ireland's not just a home to medtech, we're a home to fintech. Companies like MasterCard have their global AI centre in Ireland. We're home to all of the top internet companies, all of the biopharma companies, and we're also home to all of the enterprise software companies, as well as hardware and semiconductors. So that ecosystem gives the medtech companies that choose Ireland as a location access to collaborators and partners in other convergent sectors right on their doorstep in Ireland, backed by our support and support from the European Union through collaboration innovation schemes and just the connections and introductions that we can make for them in Ireland.
You have the pleasure to be working with companies in different stages. Startups, let's talk about startups. What opportunities you see for them and how are you supporting them in this early stage?
So we actually partner with large international growing companies. We have a sister agency, Enterprise Ireland, who works with startups from Ireland. But that being said, we see earlier stage companies coming to Ireland, internationalizing their business at earlier and earlier stages. So we have seen startups choose Ireland mainly for the access to talent, mainly for the access to other like-minded companies. But I'll be honest with you, startups is not our bread and butter. Our bread and butter is large global companies that are growing their business, expanding their operations and expanding their innovation through Ireland.
Any other partnerships that you are looking to close internationally, not only US, any other markets that you are interested to close?
We're always interested in new partners. I think the partnerships that we like to see going forward is because 14 of the top 15 medtech companies in the world are already in Ireland, 10 of the top 10 internet companies, same for pharma, same for software. I think the big opportunity for us is really to leverage the convergent opportunity that ecosystem brings them. You've heard it through the conference: data, AI, machine learning, access to data for patients, improved outcomes. We think that the ecosystem in Ireland, to leverage that technology linked with medical technologies, cybersecurity and everything else, that's probably the opportunity of the future that I want us to capitalize on the most.
Indeed. John, thank you very much for accepting the invitation, and we hope to see you more often in the MedTech World space.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.